Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. So today I was playing the 3 plus 2 blitz matches and I got the opponent with the rating of 14-6-1 and I was losing continuously. I just lost two matches against him, and then I decided to just come back and win the match against him. That's the victory I should say. And I played, and I after the report I found that it was like 95.5% are correct move. Let me just show you here. If you see, so this is a 95.5% are correct move, and I'm not saying that every move is correct, but yeah, there are many moves which I missed, but in the end it is a victory. So I just wanted to show you the game. So the game started with the d4, then c4, knight c3, bishop goes to g7, knight to f3, castles, g3, then d6, g2. Those who don't know, when the bishops comes to the g2 or b2, it's called it as a fianchetto. So that is a term in a chess. So knight to d7, castles, c6. Here comes the move d5, which is striking to the center. If it's getting captured, and captured. That's what my idea behind this, and this is not hanging because this is supported. So here the idea is to just attack this knight. If this pawn pushed further, this knight is just a pin piece. So that was my idea. For this move, the idea behind this is always go for b5. So I just stopped the idea so that it's not possible now. If it comes captures, sorry, captures, and then captures. Let's do it. First I'll just capture, because this is completely a piece win, and if it's capture also no problem. If it's comes, it cannot come like this. Yeah, that was the idea behind that. Then the opponent had just done an inaccurate move of e5, and here it was showing me a miss win. So this sign is for missing a win, because this is what the computer has shown me in the analysis. If it's captured, so this is like a two pawns, and this is hanging. So what computer is showing me here, after b6, queen has to come on b6 and captures, and the game will continue. So this is hanging now. This has to be supported with the knight. So let's come back to the game where, okay, so after this, what was my intention of coming queen here is simply go bishop goes here, and it will just exchange, and opponent plays queen to a5, which was a mistake, and I just went here. So here computer was showing the best move is e4, but I just wanted to just rid of this bishop here. So opponent has played knight here. The idea is it will get captured with the knight rather than the king. So here I thought that I can go here, like the checkmate pattern is like bishop, this knight comes here and this is a mate, but it is not possible because he is having this move. So before that move, the best move, yeah, after this I have played I should have played e4 instead of this. E4 is the best move, because now if opponent has played something else like this move, but that is the best move also, because it's supporting here, and the checkmate is not coming. But yeah, so the idea is, if you go here and if you play something random move like this is going to be mate soon. But again, there is a possibility of having a knight here, but it is showing a mistake. Why it is a mistake? If I go knight to g5, which is the best move it is showing. After this, d5. Okay, but again a computer bar is showing 8 plus. Okay, let me check this analysis. I did not analyze this one. Okay, if knight comes to here, other than this is suggesting knight comes to here. And what is the next? We need just here, but don't see any move. f4. Okay, captures. Capture is the inaccurate move. Bishop to f3. Okay. Bishop to f3 and then bishop to h3, hitting the rook here. Knight takes on h3. Okay, this is a previous. I don't understand why computer suggested that move. Okay, let it be. We are going too deeply and we are away from the game then. Okay, the game, it happens h3 here, h4, then f5, knight goes to g5, knight goes to f6. Then here comes the move e4. It did not capture, it simply attacks me on my knight, so I just went here. Most of the possibility of losing the pawn here, but I'm getting play here. This is hanging, so that's what I thought, and let it be. This is a blunder and I did not spot it. There is a move. Okay, after this there is a move, but I simply took the pawn here, and again in the computer showing only 1 plus. But the idea here is this is hitting queen, and this has to capture, and this is like a protected pass pawn. Those who don't know what is pass pawn, the pawn in front of the pawn, there is no other pawn which is stopping him for promotion, and this is like two squares away from promotion, and it's supported with the pawn, so it is a very strong pass pawn. That's why the computer is showing 3 plus. So here I just went for captures, and he just simply captures, and I played this move in the end, but no problem. So it is now the blockade here. This is a mistake. I was just thought for 1 minute just to capture here, but it's not giving anything. See, bar is simply saying it's a blunder, so I did not went for it, and I was just hoping to just grab some more pawns, and opponent started hitting my queen. I just captured one more pawn. Here it's again hitting my queen. So here I thought for 30 seconds, and I thought whether to go here or this is hanging now, but then I realized that if this is getting captured by this, and if I got a check somewhere here, then this is a winning piece now. So I just went on to the b6, and opponent just blundered here, and I simply given a check here. See, and after this opponent just kept his queen in front of me, and can you spot it, the best move for this? For 1 second I thought that just exchange the queens, but here is the best move and winning the material, and after this opponent had just resigned. So guys, I was just analyzing this game, and I thought to share with you, because analysis is important. Every game which you are playing, you should analyze where did you made the mistakes, and from the analysis you will improve your chess. So guys, do let me know in the comments if you like the analysis and the game which I just shared with you. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.